of the top trades from Tuesdays was this short signal and the gap continuation. It's a gap fill combo, combining gap fill 1 and 2 in our book from 7 trading systems for the S&P Futures. This works in Tradestation and also works in multi-charts and NinjaTrader. Here is the 2024 update. This goes back 4 years, and it treats those strategies, gap fill 1 and gap fill 2, differently based on where it opens relative to the previous day's range. And you can see the results testing back 4 years. Once again, we've updated this for 2024. Let's compare Tradestation and NinjaTrader. The signals are the same in Tradestation and NinjaTrader. You can see the gap fill strategy here, and then the gap continuation strategy here. And now I'm going to compare the performance summaries between these two going back 4 years. You can see the results without slippage and commission. These two platforms have a slightly different way of using slippage and commission, but you have $118 average trade profit, $6,000 drawdown, and $51,637.50 in Tradestation under 436 trades. And you have, let me make sure, 436 trades. And in NinjaTrader, you have 464 trades, almost 70% profitable on both of these. $57,037.50, $122.93 average trade profit, so about $4 more average trade profit. So let's look at the equity curves on these as well. So here is the equity curve. On the left, you see the Tradestation performance summary, and on the right, you see the NinjaTrader performance summary equity curves. And so very comparable, very close. The backfill testing algorithms can be slightly different. There could be other nuances, but both very good performance summaries for a day trade strategy using a basic gap fill setup. You can find this update if you have this strategy in the 7 trading systems for the S&P Futures members area, NinjaTrader 8 download. You can see the holidays. I've added the Don't Trade on Holidays functionality to this. I've also added the latest NinjaTrader NinjaScript open code. You have the Tradestation download here, the multi-charts download here, and you can get this under education courses if you don't already have it. You can subscribe to this setup. You can also look at some of our Tradestation training and FAQ members areas and some other setups here as well. Algorithmic Trading Systems also has code for Tradestation, multi-charts, and NinjaTrader so that you can set up your trading systems, open code and modify and customize it, and learn how to code trading systems. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.